What is the APMP Practitioner OTE? The APMP Practitioner OTE is a new format for the APMP Practitioner certification, which is level 2 of the APMP certification for bid and proposal professionals. It's an online exam and must be completed with an online proctor who will be watching you from your camera. The length of the Practitioner OTE is 2.5 hours, entirely taken online. You will be asked to read a detailed scenario, and you will be expected to apply your experience in bid and proposals so far and answer those series of questions. The exam participants will have to think their way through the Practitioner OTE while applying the APMP's best practices. How challenging is it? This is the exam to earn. Because the exam is designed to test the participants' experience, it will give the employers comfort in knowing that those who hold this certification are highly qualified job candidates. As it is, yes, it is challenging. However, it is possible. All you need to do is apply the best practice in a scenario in a timely manner. That's the APMP OTE. For more information, visit www.baachuscribble.com/APMP Practitioner Certification for our orientation course. Good luck with your learning journey.